Hi friends, I thought I'd just do a quick little update on the dam. We still haven't really had any rain. We had some yesterday, but it was like pathetic. Um, so it's the 8th of April 2023 and this dam is still very, very dry. There's lots of awesome indicators that, it's coming though, because look how green or greener that bank is in just a week. So it definitely is getting ready to take on some water. And that bank is so much thicker than it was last year. So there's definitely rain coming. They do say that it's going to be, today's Saturday, and they do say Monday and then Wednesday. So, and hopefully it's one of those really good ones that, really matter. really make a difference. But I just wanted to do like a water level video. For this time of the year, because I'm really documenting everything and making sure that I can see what everything is this summer, and then I'll have so much to refer to next summer. Well, last year was just us learning about the property, moving in. George and Charlie were just puppies, so everything's relevant. And I'm glad I didn't go and do anything, because you would have done it all wrong, because you have no idea what you're doing. So, and same thing with this year. This year I've just really watched. Well, I'm sure this summer was drier than normal. So they've given me 2 nice, hot, dry summers to learn from. And it'll be really interesting to see what happens with the little things that I have put into place. And, I'm definitely going to be doing a lot of planting around here in winter, like a lot. I will be spending a fair bit of money, and I will be spending a fair bit of time because I know this will come back really quickly, because it's got everything going for it and it's got everything already in place. I am just going to encourage it. As I said, I think it's going to make such a big difference when I open up that brook, which is just up further ahead. But all of this will be covered in trees and shrubs next summer. Covered. It's going to be really interesting to see the difference and what it does. What animals come around at the same time. It's going to be so interesting. Well, there we go. I just thought I would do an update on water levels. And, what's happening, because you can really see that there's things being turned on. Things are so much thicker and greener than what they were just a week ago. It's so fascinating. Have a beautiful day.